what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Oh sure, they have armies, and they have armadas, but